The saga continues. So what we're doing is we're removing the wheels and the black frame because the distance of the wheels and that 2 inches of black frame member going all the way around like that, how you see my fingers go around, so that stops it from going in through the doorway in the house. So by removing that, we have 1/2 inch of clearance between the ground and the top of the doorway with that removed. So that even just removing the wheels is not enough. We actually have to remove the framing, and then all the weight is going to be supported. I have to remove the whole condenser assembly and motor and slide that out of there. Took off the supporting bars in the front, on the back, and still have to take out the leaking evaporator. But I'm going to take out both evaporators. I'm going to strip all the epoxy is flaking off of them, and so I'm going to strip these down, clean them really good, fix the leak, and re-epoxy plate coat both evaporators and then put them back. And that's what's going on there. Alright guys, see you in the next one as the saga continues.